Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the Clarins SOS primers. Now keep in mind these were sent to me complimentary by Clarins. I'm not getting paid for this video and all of these opinions are 100% my own and completely honest. I'm not going to lie to you guys about anything. So first of all, Clarins is a plant-based cosmetics brand, and if you've been in Ulta like near like all the skincare and stuff, you've probably seen Clarins. Usually it's like by Dermalogica or something. Their products are a little bit pricier. It is a prestige brand, so it's going to be a little bit more pricey than like any drugstore products. But I think their products are amazing. I think it's worth trying them out. So they sent me two primers. This one is a pink one, and it's to can't talk today. It's to minimize signs of fatigue, and then this purple one will brighten sallow skin, which is just kind of like a yellowish tone. I don't think I really have that problem, so I haven't used this, as you can tell, very much. I have tried it, but I like this one a lot. You can tell it's like been used a lot more, but this one does a really good job at like brightening your skin and kind of helping you look a little bit more awake. I just got a new camera, so I need to figure out a setup situation before I can film like a tutorial or like a tutorial. I have taken a before and after photo for you guys, so you guys can kind of see how it looks before using it and how it looks after. The first photo is after my skin has been prepped and moisturized and everything, and then the second photo is after I applied the primer. It goes on really nicely and it doesn't irritate my skin or anything. Sometimes there are products that will kind of burn just because I have very sensitive skin and I have eczema as well. So I really like how this feels on my skin. It's not heavy, it's not, here I'll show you guys actually. It's not heavy, it doesn't feel sticky. Some primers tend to feel a little bit sticky on the face. This one doesn't, and it has like a scent. I can't really describe it. I liked the scent at first, but after using it every day, I don't like the scent. It didn't change or anything. It's kind of strong, I do have to say. So like when you put it on your face, you're gonna smell something. But this is how the primer looks on my hand. It's not runny, it's not watery. It's very light. The formula is very light. So when you blend it in, it's not too thick and it's not too light. So I really like that. You blend it into your skin and it just kind of like gives a really pretty finish. It's not dewy or anything. It's not matte. I would say it's more natural. I just use it with my fingers. You could use it with a brush if you want, but I just like using my hands. These are moisturizing and you can apply it underneath your foundation, or you can mix it with your foundation if you want to get like a natural luminous finish. I'll show you guys how the lavender one looks. So this is the lavender one. I don't know if you can even tell the difference with the lighting, but when you blend it in, that's how it looks. So purple is going to counteract yellow. So if you do like have any yellow in your skin, it'll kind of balance that out. Overall, I really do like these. I would recommend giving them a shot. I don't like wearing makeup or foundation without a primer. I think that the primer is going to help make the makeup last throughout the day. You're not gonna like sweat all your makeup off if you're, you know, running around doing things. I'm not sure how much they are. I will put them, the price right here. Yeah, so I recommend giving these a try. You can go into Ulta and I'm sure they have them there. You can give them a try, or like a Clarins counter. Also, if you're into like plant-based makeup, then these are definitely a good option for you. I will have the links down below for these products if you guys are interested, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.